In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to your Xero account. Adding an accountant to your Xero account is a valuable step that can help you streamline your business's financial management and ensure you're making the most out of your financial data. With that in mind, let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll need to log in to your Xero account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Xero website. Once there, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner. Enter your login credentials, which typically include your email address and password, to access your account. If you've set up two-factor authentication for added security, you'll need to enter the code sent to your mobile device as well. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to the user settings. The user settings are where you'll be able to manage existing users and invite new ones, such as your accountant. Begin by clicking on the company name displayed in the top left corner of your Xero dashboard. This will prompt a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Within the Settings page, find and click on the option labeled Users. This will take you to the Users Management area, where you can see a list of current users and add new ones. To invite your accountant, look to the top right corner of the Users Management page and click on Invite a User, or sometimes it might say Add a User. This action will open up a form where you can input the necessary information to add your accountant to your account. At this point, you will need to enter the accountant's details. Typically, this includes their first name and their email address. Be sure to double-check the spelling of their email to ensure they receive the invitation promptly. Next, you'll need to set the proper permissions for your accountant. In most cases, you'll want to assign them the Advisor Access role. This role grants them comprehensive access, including business and accounting rights, which are generally necessary for account management. If your accountant needs additional permissions, such as the ability to file returns or add other users, you can enable those options here as well. Once you've carefully reviewed the details and permissions, it's time to send out the invitation. Locate and click the Send Invite button. Your accountant will soon receive an email invitation from Xero with instructions on how to accept the invitation and gain access to your account. Be sure to inform them to keep an eye on their inbox and check their spam folder just in case. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully invited your accountant to your Xero account. Having your accountant on board allows them to assist you more effectively, ensuring your financial data is used to its fullest potential. Thank you for watching, and feel free to reach out if you have any more questions about managing users in Xero.